Hi, a warm greetings to all. I am Master Mahantesh Patil and my teammate is Omkar Patil. We both are studying in Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi in the field of electronics and communication. From our past 1 month, we have been doing as an intern in Emertxe Institute of Technology, Bengaluru, the internship on embedded systems. The project title we have been assigned to do is washing machine. Before going to the project, let us see what is embedded system. What is embedded system? An embedded system is a microprocessor or a microcontroller based hardware and software designed to perform dedicated functions within a larger mechanical or electrical system. Why we prefer C language for embedded systems? C code gets compiled into raw binary executable which can be directly loaded into memory and can be executed. C provides optimized machine instructions for the given input which increases the performance of the embedded systems. The presentation outline of the project, objective scope of the project requirements, block diagram, project analysis, software design, demo video. Objective scope of the project. The washing machine project is a grassroots social enterprise dedicated to the elevating the burden of hand washing clothes. Washing machines are becoming an integral part of household items because of the availability of the power, saving in time, convenience, saving water, detergent. The some of the uses of the washing machines are a washing machine is a huge time saver over hand washing. A washing machine eliminates the effort needed to wash clothes. Washing machines have different cycles to use depending on garments. This we will see in the demo of the video. Project requirements. We need some softwares to for the implementation of our project. Those softwares are piximlab, mplab xide, x8 compiler. What is piximlab? Piximlab is a real-time emulator of the development boards with integrated mplab xide debuggers. Piximlab supports some Pixim microcontrollers and some Simber microcontrollers. Piximlab have integration with MPLAB and Arduino IDE for programming the board's microcontrollers. Piximlab supports several devices that can be connected to the boards for the simulation, as for example LEDs and push buttons for the simple input outputs and some complex ones like Ethernet shield for internet connection or color graphic display for with touchscreen. MPLAB XIDE. MPLAB is a freeware integrated development environment for the development of embedded applications on PIC and DSPIC microcontrollers and is developed by Microchip Technology. It is the latest version of the MPLAB XIDE built by Microchip Technology and is based on the open source NetBeans platform. It also supports the editing, debugging, and programming of Microchip 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit microcontrollers. X8 compiler is a C compiler for the 8-bit PIC and AVR devices. Architecture of the Pixim Lab. The microcontroller we are using for our project is PIC16F877A. Some of the peripherals of these microcontrollers are LEDs, buzzer, digital keypads, SSDs, matrix keypad, CLCD display, analog to digital converter, temperature sensor, EEPROM which comes under types of ROM that is read-only memory, GPIO, board PICgenius schematic. This is the PCB designing of the board PICgenius schematic where this is the LED display, this is the DC motor, this is the CLCD display and these are some of the other components of the board. Block diagram of washing machine. Block diagram of washing machine contains some level sensors, water inlet, water outlets, body case, outer tubes, temperature sensor, keypad. This keypad is used to select the various programs that need to be implemented in the washing machine and LED displays for the numerical interface that we are going to implement and user interface. Let us discuss the project analysis. When we implement the project, the first screen that we are going to get is press key 5 to power on the washing machine. Then the user presses the key 5, he gets the screen as powering on washing machines. It says that washing machine is getting on. Then we got when their washing programs are displayed where we have written around 12 programs, that is daily, heavy, delicates, whites, stain wash, eco cottons, woolens, bed sheets, rinse dry, dry only, wash only, aqua store. To select any one of these programs, the user needs to press the long press for 20 seconds on the specific programs. After the user presses the long press for the specific program, water levels have been displayed. Water levels are around 4. These are auto, low, medium, high, max. The user needs to select the water level according to his preference. Then after when the water level is selected, the user gets the start stop screen. User have options to start or stop the program. After the user says the start the program, he timer shows for how many seconds, minutes, seconds the wash is going to take place. User has options to start or pause the ongoing program. When the program is on, fan is on during the program. After the completion of the whole program, there is a message shown that is program is completed, remove the clothes with the buzzer is on. So this completes the project. Let us see the demo of the project. This is MPLab XIDE where we have written the code. So we build and execute this code, and let us see the output on the Pixim lab. That is this is the Pixim lab where I have taken the microcontroller, that is Pix16F877A. So let us load the hex file and let us see the output. Okay. Press key 5 to powering on the machine. The washing machine is getting on. When it gets on, it shows the washing programs, that is heavy, delicate, some all 12 programs. Select any one which is needed to you. Let me select for now as stain wash. Long press for 20 seconds. Water levels have been displayed. Auto, low, high. Let me select high for now. Okay. Now we have got the start stop screen. Let me start the program. There is a timer 28 seconds. It takes 28 seconds to watch the program. Also the fan is getting on. Fan is on during the program is when the program is going on. Let us wait for 24 seconds. We can even pause the program and also start the program according to you. The CLCD display also shows that the door is open, please close it. Let us continue the program. The function does all the three types, that is wash, rinse and spin. After the completion of the program, the buzzer gets on. Let us see. Okay, the buzzer is on and it displays the message program completed, remove the clothes. So this is our project. We can select any of the programs which we need and we can implement it. Thank you.